Alright, today we're going to be comparing the Hoover Tangle Gard and the Dyson Slim Ball Multi-Floor Upright Vacuum. We're going to vacuum this room with the Hoover first, so let's get that, then we'll go over with the Dyson. You can hear the Hoover picking up the kitty litter. Reduce the suction, too much suction on this rug. Yeah, I'm not even going to try on that. The Hoover is grooming the carpet very well, as you can see. Let's go in here. Hoover is performing pretty well. I can see a lot of dirt and pet hair inside the dirt bin. You're standing right. Take a few more passes in this area where the kitty litter is. See, you can hear it as I pass through here. Alright, let's check out the dirt bin. You can see a pretty decent hairball and a lot of kitty litter. Alright, now let's go grab the Dyson. It's already plugged in and ready to go. The bin on the Dyson is freshly emptied. Wow, listen to that. You can hear the kitty litter. Listen to that. See if the Dyson can clean this rug. No way. I'm gonna step forward over there. Yeah, listen, you can hear kitty litter getting picked up by the Dyson. Wow, look at how much better the Dyson is grooming the carpet. I have to say, for an extra $100-ish versus the Hoover, you can get this Dyson, and it has a sealed system, a HEPA filter, asthma and allergy certified. It has the ball technology, better cyclone system, and of course Dyson's great warranty. And it's not that much more expensive, and of course way better pickup on carpet. barely fits in there, but it did. Let's go back over by the kitty litter pan. Honestly think that this Dyson has significantly more power than that Hoover does. You can hear, as I pass over the area, the kitty litter getting picked up. Alright, let's see what the Dyson ball picked up. Actually, there's some pet hair in there. Let's go over and put it on the floor so we can see a little better. That's a surprising amount of dirt. You can see all this fine sand and stuff that the Dyson was able to get out because the Dyson has a significantly more powerful brush roll. Way more agitating power on the Dyson than on the Hoover. And also, I think the Dyson has about twice as much air watts. The Dyson has about 250 air watts of suction. It's significantly more powerful. In fact, let's go over here and I'm going to compare the suction real quick. Can't run both at once, but you're probably going to film the handle. Any paper or anything? It definitely has not the greatest of suction. Let's try out the Dyson. It's a little unfair because it has this bump here, but let's try it out. Way more power. As I thought, the Dyson has significantly more airflow and suction. I should put the Dyson up to the airflow meter and the Hoover as well. So I hope you enjoyed this comparison between the Hoover Tangle Gard and the Dyson Slim Ball Multi-Floor, and I'll see you next time.